What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website wireframe in Miro. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Miro, and after typing you will see this first official link of Miro. Just simply click on it. After that, if you are new to Miro, just simply sign in with your email and password and then you will be able to access Miro. After that, you will be welcome to the home page of Miro. Now from here, you can create a blank board, but if you already have created some previous boards, you can even use them. So I will just simply click on this. After coming here, look for the icon of templates. So as you can see on the left side, this is the icon of templates. It will appear like this. Give it a click. After clicking, on the top at the search bar, type in website wireframe. After that, hit enter and then the pre-built website wireframes in Miro will appear. Now choose the website wireframe template that you want to. Like for example, I like this one. Simply hover to it and then it will show the option of use template. Click on use template and then the template will be loaded on your Miro board. Now from here you can adjust and edit all the settings from here, and then the specialty of Miro is its zoom capability. You can zoom and edit your first board or any board with proper perfection. So this is how you can build a website wireframe in Miro. And that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.